Hey, what's up? I'm Timo FPV, and today we are back with another video. And today we are going to spin the wheel again and see what trick awaits us out onto the field. It snowed a little bit, as you'll see, so it should look a little different. But I don't plan to crash today, so mark my words, probably going to crash, which is great. And let's spin the wheel and see what we got going on. Catch you later. I don't say this often, but I am also Merry Christmas, by the way. You can see my hat's Christmas. So, yeah, there we go. Merry Christmas. I don't say this often, but I'm pretty confident that I could get this the first try. So, about to eat my words a little bit, but we're out here. Let's do this. Have some fun. All right, Juicy Eject. This one seems simple. Okay, just a roll. That's what it looked like. Also, look at this snow, just absolutely beauty. So we roll. Actually, that's not what we do. Sorry. Roll. And pitch up. Oh. Why was my telemetry lost? Not a fan of that. All right, so we roll. Why is my telemetry being lost? For why? Not about to fail save this. Uh-oh. All right, no worries. So roll and then do that. I'm pretty sure in the video he posted, or the video I watched, he made the, I keep losing telemetry. What am I trying to say? Hold on, sorry. In the video I watched, he said this was kind of like the beginning of the Juicy pipeline, I guess you could say. That's kind of my words. And yeah. Yeah, this is the beginning of the Juicy pipeline, so it's kind of, that's why it's kind of lackluster, I guess you could say. Peace and chicken grease. All right, let's test her out. Telemetry, stay. All right. Little battery. Oh, as if I didn't charge these batteries to their max. Yeah, there's the telemetry again. Okay, so roller. All right, I'm about to turn the telemetry loss thing off because it's not doing anything. Oh, I guess my link quality is getting down there. Let's see, this was the fear.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost.
All right. So we roll and then go up, pitch, and that's the Juicy. That's the Juicy. The Juicy Eject. All right, let's do it again. Ready? Roll, pitch, throttle punch, exit. We're just here having a good time. Let's orbit as we come in for the landing. Go through the legs? No, just kidding. Not ready for that. I like my legs where they are. Okay, last pack magic. Let's do this. We're gonna keep this a quick flight. I think my XT60 connector isn't very solid. The connection's pretty loose. So, and maybe the GoPro, I don't know what's going on. So we're just gonna keep it nice and easy. This is gonna be a relaxing, quick flight. We'll try it once and then be on our way. This is why I wish I had a fleet of drones, not simply one drone. That being said, what was that? Okay. I said this is gonna be a nice flight. Okay. Just constant low battery, that's cool. So we roll, throttle, pitch. I hear someone. Is that my imagination? Probably. All right. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it a good one. Hopefully we don't crash. Okay, we have to roll and then pitch. And that's the Juicy Eject. Can I do it the other way? A little bit. Okay, We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you. Alright. There we go. Stop that recording. Okay, sorry, took so long. So this is the Juicy Eject. It's episode, this is trick 26 out of 64. I'm giving it a 2-star. And there you go. Drew a fighter jet. Hold on, let me get that out of the way. Sorry, drew a fighter jet and the ejection of that fighter jet. And with that being said, that is episode 26. I'm Team FPV. Catch you in the next video. And as always, Merry Christmas, stay soaring.